In today's video, we're going to learn the verbs of type B1. Σήμερα θα μάθουμε ρήματα τύπου V1. Something that they all have in common is that they end with ow that can be also replaced just with o. And now we're going to see a couple of examples of them so you understand what I'm saying. These are some verbs of type B1. Μιλάω, which means I speak, becomes μιλώ, I speak. Both of them are right and both of them can be used at any time. There is no rule when one is used or the other. Τολμάω, which means I dare, becomes τολμώ, I dare. Σταματάω, I stop, σταματώ, I stop. Πουλάω, I sell, πουλώ, I sell. Κολυμπάω, I swim, κολυμπώ, I swim. Απαντάω, I answer, απαντώ, I answer. Αγαπάω, I love, αγαπώ, I love. Νικάω, I win, νικώ, I win. Have a look at the board for a second and now let's see a verb μιλάω and how we're going to conjugate it. They're all getting conjugated the same way. So if you know how to conjugate the verb μιλάω, you know how to conjugate all of the verbs of type B1. So εγώ μιλάω, I speak. Εσύ μιλάς, you speak. Αυτός μιλάει, he speaks. Αυτή μιλάει, she speaks. Αυτό μιλάει, it speaks. Εμείς μιλάμε, we speak. Εσείς μιλάτε, you speak plural polite. Αυτοί μιλάνε, they speak masculine. Αυτές μιλάνε, they speak feminine. And αυτά μιλάνε, they speak neutral. Εγώ μιλάω, and now we're going to see a couple of examples with the verbs of type B1 and see how easy they are to use. Εγώ μιλάω με τους μαθητές μου. I speak with my students. Εσύ ποτέ δεν απαντάς στο τηλέφωνο. You never answer the phone. Αυτός κολυμπάει στη θάλασσα. He swims in the sea. Εμείς σταματάμε στη στάση. We stop at the bus stop or any kind of stop. Εσείς νικάτε τον πόλεμο. You win the war. Αυτοί αγαπάνε τον Αριστοτέλη. They love Αριστοτέλη. Αυτές πουλάνε τσάντες και παπούτσια. They sell handbags and shoes. So that's it for today. I hope this video was useful for you and you learned how to use a bit the verbs of type B1. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye!